Alright, welcome to Washington, D.C.'s largest battery energy storage system. So because this is a live operating facility, we're not going to do a demonstration today, but we are going to do a quick walkthrough. So in this building there's 4 separate battery cabinets, and each of them are full of lithium-ion battery cells. So commercial buildings all around the country are starting to put in battery storage systems like this one. So Tumalow controls these systems to actively manage the power usage of the building, and that saves them some money on their electric bills. We also use them to sell services back to the electric grid. And finally, these batteries can power the building if the lights ever go out. But none of this can happen without good control software. Not only are there 4 independent battery cabinets here, there's also other equipment on site that the batteries have to play nicely with. So if you've ever had the experience of setting up a home generator, you can appreciate some of the complexity. To set up a generator at your house, you have to go to your main breaker and throw that open. You have to set up your generator, plug it in, and if you get some of that stuff wrong, it can get a little dangerous. So our control software takes care of that automatically. So inside of this cabinet, there's an automatic disconnect switch. When our system senses that the grid power's gone out, it'll open this switch, and that'll isolate this building from the grid. So after that, we change the batteries from working alongside the grid, because the grid power's out now, to powering the building all by themselves. And at this facility, we've even integrated with the solar power system on site, so that if there's an extended outage, they can actually continue to use their solar power to recharge the batteries. So all of this control software is being delivered by our IoT appliance, the Tumalow Smart Tile. For this facility, the Smart Tile lives here in the same cabinet with the switch. And because it's dangerous to open this, this live cabinet, we're going to go back to the office now and check out the Smart Tile. So this is the Tumalow Smart Tile. It's an IoT device that helps with all phases of an energy storage project. So its first job is to go into a customer's building and gather electric data. So you can hang some sensors from it here. And it sends that data to the cloud automatically. It has a built-in cellular modem. So once we have the data, it runs a real-time simulation or a storage test drive, and this helps to sell the project to the customer. And then finally, once the batteries are in, it runs real-time control, so it tells the battery system when to charge and when to discharge. So it's a technology like this that's going to help the solar companies. These are the same folks that made the solar industry so successful. It'll help them add storage to their product line. And this makes it a really exciting time to be in the energy storage business. Right, this is an industry that's growing very quickly. It's doubling in size every 3 years. And it's just fundamentally reshaping the way that we're going to get our power in the future. So that's our demonstration. Thanks for watching, and stay charged up.